I want to graph. I want to integrate 4 ln x dx. So this is another. It's actually an integration by parts problem. I'm going to pull the 4 out front and do 4 integral of ln x dx. And I'm going to do integration by parts on the ln of x, which may seem really weird, because usually with integration by parts, like in the video for A, I got a piece that I derive and a piece that I integrate. And that means I have 2 parts, and I kind of like have 1 part, right? I got the ln x, right? But watch what happens if I do it the right way. If I got ln x, I derive that, I get 1 over x. Now, you may ask, well, what is left to write over in this next column? Well, I could slip a times 1 in there, and it wouldn't change the value of that integral. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at the other part as 1, integrate that, I get x. Now, normally we do a bunch of diagonals like this when we do integration by parts. But what I'm doing with each of those, actually, boink boink, oops, redo, is this backward step, the minus step, is an integration step, right? So what I could rewrite this as is 4 times, so I got the plus product is these two being multiplied by each other. So I get 4 times x ln x. And then what I do is I'm going to subtract the integral of that product. So minus the integral of x times 1 over x dx. Close. Now if I work this out, I get 4, open parentheses, x ln x minus integral. When I multiply those two, these two right here, I get 1 dx. What's the integral of 1 dx? Well, it is, we get 4x ln x. Well, it just gives me minus x. And then I write my plus c. And I guess I need some parentheses. So I need to now distribute that 4 into both of these, which gives me 4x ln x minus, undo 4, undo x plus c. Now I'm not going to lie, I kind of went through this step right here to get this a little bit quicker than I would if I was in class. If that really doesn't make sense to you, I would just Google search and look for a different video on how to do the integral of ln of x with integration by parts, and they might introduce more of the UDV language. But as far as I'm concerned, you should be okay with this.